So far we have used only Newton's laws and kinematics. Sparing this. Now next level we can use work energy theorem for subdivision 2. Then for subdivision 1 also can you use work energy theorem to find the penetration. For subdivision 2, subdivision 2 work energy theorem already done. Subdivision 1 to find the penetration. What can now work energy theorem with respect to which reference frame? With respect to wood. With respect to wood, now we are doing alternate method. With respect to wood, what is the work done by the pseudo force? MA times. What is the MA is a constant. What is the displacement? P. That is the penetration. With respect to wood as a reference frame, bullet has moved by distance P. But the force MA is acting in this direction. So work done by the pseudo force will be minus map. Okay, MAP. Then work done by resistance force. This must give change in kinetic energy with respect to wood. With respect to wood, final kinetic energy 0. Initial. Check what do you get for P will be half mu square by R plus MA. That's what we have here also. Same thing. Half mu squared, then half m. So it will be MAR. MAR is nothing but minus of this MA plus R. So eventually you will get the same result. See, for finding the acceleration of the wood with respect to ground, anyway you have to use Newton's law. But for finding the resistance force, you can use work energy theorem. So if you do second part by work energy theorem, get acceleration alone from Newton's law, then first part also you can solve by work energy theorem. Okay. Now, similarly, what about this 3? Alternate method to subdivision 3. Time taken for penetration. Time taken is involved in impulse momentum theorem. That is the link for this chapter. So far, either you can directly involve Newton's law or you can use work per energy for those subdivisions. But for finding time, you can directly use impulse momentum theorem. Now with respect to which reference frame? With respect to wood, what will be the impulse momentum theorem? With respect to wood, net impulse because of these two forces will be what? Constant force. Since it is constant force, minus of R plus MA times T. Minus of R plus MA times T, this is the net impulse. This must cause change in linear momentum of the system with respect to wood. That means what? System here then will be just the bullet. Net impulse acting on the bullet equal to change in linear momentum of the bullet with respect to wood as the reference frame. So what is the final linear momentum of the bullet with respect to wood? 0. Initial linear momentum. Find the time now. You will get the same result. You can check. It is minus U by AR. AR anyway, this quantity is same. And for the fourth subdivision, you can use work energy theorem with respect to ground instead of kinematics. How to apply work energy theorem with respect to ground for the overall system?